us in the county have failed. I don't know, because literally what we are speaking when we see the GSU in the county, we are trying to portray our county that we have become ungovernable. I am not sure, as this honorable house, whether this is what we want other people to know about Kisii County. We truly understand that we have a government in place. And when we have a government in place, there are structures that are in place that must be exploited before we go to other levels. Remember, Kisii County is a county that are always, when people speak about the county of Kisii, they are talking about peace. And when we are trying to demonstrate and demonize our county that we have become ungovernable, I'm not sure whether that is how we want the assembly, the people of Kisii, to understand that we have really become ungovernable. I'm not sure whether that is where we want to go, honorable members. I want to speak to those who are in leadership positions and those that feel that they have more powers than others. We have a county to protect. I am not saying that because I want guns or insecurity to rise, but are we really exploited our own avenues instead of bringing in the GSU? These are some of the questions that honorable members I want us to ask ourselves. Let leaders respect other leaders. Let us not try to demonstrate that you have more powers than others. Everybody, our roles are cut out. I am an MCA. I can't be a member of parliament